Corsair Vengeance i7-600 Gaming PC. The Corsair Vengeance i7-600 Gaming PC is a liquid-cooled, high-performance machine designed for serious gamers and content creators. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7-265KF processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super GPU, this PC delivers exceptional performance at 1440p and 4K settings. The 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM not only provides ample memory for gaming, but also adds customizable lighting to your setup. With a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, you'll experience quick boot-up times and fast data transfers, while the liquid cooling system ensures quieter operation and optimal temperatures during long gaming sessions. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing video, this PC offers the raw power you need. IBU Power Scale Orange Gaming PC Desktop. The IBI Power Scale Orange Gaming PC offers a fantastic balance of performance and affordability, making it a great option for gamers who prefer AMD processors. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7570 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB GPU, it's a solid choice for playing games at 1080p and 1440p with high settings. The 16GB DDR4 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 500GB NVMe SSD offers fast load times and quick access to games and files. The PC is Wi-Fi ready and runs on Windows 11 Home, making it an easy setup for gamers looking to get into gaming without too much complexity. It's a great option for those seeking a reliable entry to mid-level machine. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC is tailored for gamers looking to explore virtual reality with ease. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-1340F processor and a GeForce RTX 40608GB GPU, it handles AAA games and VR experiences without breaking a sweat. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll enjoy fast game loads, smooth gameplay, and plenty of storage. This PC is Wi-Fi ready and runs on Windows 11 Home, making it ready for gaming straight out of the box. For VR enthusiasts and those who want a high-performing system for a reasonable price, this is a great option. Skytech Archangel Gaming PC Desktop. The Skytech Archangel Gaming PC is an excellent choice for gamers looking for strong performance without the hefty price tag. Powered by an Intel i5-1340F processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 8GB DDR6 graphics card, it delivers smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming. The 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures quick multitasking, while the 2TB SSD provides ample storage and lightning-fast load times. This system is great for both gaming and productivity, and the RGB lighting adds an extra flair to your setup. The 650-watt gold PSU guarantees reliable performance even during extended gaming sessions, and the included Wi-Fi support makes it easy to connect wirelessly. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced gamer, the Archangel offers great value for performance. Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC Desktop. The Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC is a compact and budget-friendly choice for gamers who want reliable 1080p performance without breaking the bank. Featuring an Intel Core i5-1340F processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3050, this PC handles most modern games at medium to high settings. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll have enough memory and storage to enjoy gaming without waiting for load times. The 600-watt gold PSU and Wi-Fi support ensure stable power and internet connectivity, making this a solid choice for gamers who want an efficient and affordable setup. Dell Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming Desktop. The Dell Alienware Aurora R16 is an absolute powerhouse, designed for gamers and creators who demand top-tier performance. Featuring an Intel 24-core i9-14900KF processor and a GeForce RTX 409024 GBG DDR6X GPU, this PC is built to handle 4K gaming, ray tracing, and intensive tasks like video rendering and 3D modeling with ease. The massive 64GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 8TB SSD offers almost unlimited storage for your games, media, and projects. The system also comes with Wi-Fi 6E support and runs on Windows 11 Pro, making it an all-around dream machine for power users. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, or both, MSI Codex R Gaming Desktop. The MSI Codex R Gaming Desktop is a flexible, DIY-friendly machine that offers a perfect balance of power and customization. With an Intel Core i5-1340F processor and an RTX 40608 GB GPU, this system handles modern games at 1080p and 1440p, offering smooth performance even in graphically demanding titles. The 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures efficient multitasking, while the 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides fast load times and plenty of storage for your games and files. The 650-watt Gold PSU ensures stable power delivery, and the Wi-Fi support allows easy connectivity. This system is perfect for gamers who may want to tweak and upgrade their PC over time, as it provides a solid foundation for future improvements. There you have it, the best pre-built gaming PCs of 2025. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or diving into gaming for the first time, these machines have you covered. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check the description for links and more info on each PC. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Happy gaming!